This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn off your watch history on the YouTube app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the YouTube app. To turn off your watch history, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, the little gear wheel, I'm going to tap on that. Then you want to go down toward the bottom down here where it says Your Data in YouTube and tap on Your Data in YouTube. And then you want to scroll way down. And right in here, YouTube Watch History. As you can see, mine is currently turned on, but you want to tap on that little arrow. And that'll bring you to this page. It tells you a little bit about it, and you scroll down, and right here is a button to turn it off. I'm going to tap on Turn Off. It gives me a little warning. You could read through this. And right down here at the bottom, you want to tap on Pause. Now my YouTube watch history has been turned off. I'm going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to tap on Got It. As you can see, it is now turned off. Now it gives me the option if you want to turn it back on. You just follow the same steps and you'll come to this screen and you'll tap on the little button there that says Turn On. That is how to turn off your watch history on the YouTube app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.